Hello everyone, it's Monday, January the 20th, and today we did have 19 cleans, but we've had 2 skips. We've already cleaned 3, we're now at the 4th clean. I didn't get any footage because basically the weather, it's not going to come out great on here. So I've got 14 cleans left to do. And where are we today? We are Gedney Hill and Murrow, and my village is in the middle of the two. But we've got Sophie back with us today, and we've still got Matthew. So join us for today and see how we get on. Hi everyone, just an update. It's just gone up past 10. We've got 10 cleans left for the day. So I just checked squeegee and we've done 7 cleans. So it's all going all right. It's obviously easier with the 3 of us compared to just the 2 of us. But what we have found, I agree with a lot of you, we're just saying it ourselves, that basically, yes, you're probably right that 2 people in one van and a 3rd person in another van is better than 3 people in one van, that's for sure. But certain times though, we've found when we're doing all the big jobs that we end up doing as a family, it definitely works better with 3 of us in the van, because the big jobs, 3 of us, it's a lot easier and we just pile in, especially when we're doing all the gutter clears and that. So there's pros and cons to everything. Anyway, I was just looking historically, and basically December 2023 and December 2024, they've been my worst months within the year of earning revenue, because obviously we take time off for Christmas and you've got the bad weather and you get plenty of skips here and there where people are saving money. So January is where I'm looking to dig me out of that hole, and it doesn't help when you lose days because of all the frozen weather that we've had. But I'm hoping this month, as long as everything goes all right and the weather stays it is, should just about scrape through, and then hopefully the better weather's going to get there rather than we get these cold spells again. So onwards and upwards anyway, see how we get on. Hi everyone, just an update. It's 11:40 in the morning. We've had to come back early because we all need a toilet. So we're going for a piss break. We've come home. It's just not far from where we are. It's just a village away. So we might as well have lunch as well. And then we're going to rebum up the van. So an update is we've done 9 cleans and we have 8 cleans left to go. But in terms of money value, we're over halfway done. So we've got to go back to do 2 more in Gedney Hill, and it's not Murrow. It's coming back towards me. We go for a place called Throck'n'Holt, not far from my house at all, and the rest of the cleans are there. So I'm hoping for a good finish with the 3 of us anyway today, and that's us done. So let's see if the day's going to go all right or what else can go wrong for me. I've had to buy a new section on my pole. You'll probably see on the video where I did the gutter clear day when we're doing face softs and gutters. One of the sections on Matthew's carbon nano pole snapped, so I've brought another one there. That's with postage and packaging, VAT 180 quid. But these things happen. That's life. Get on with it. Let's see what else goes wrong. Right, that's me back home. It's 3 o'clock, so we've had an early finish. I had a bit of a chat with my last customer. It's nice catching up with her. And basically we've done 16 cleans today. We've ended up with 3 skips. We had 2 skips to start with, but we had 1 during the day because the customer had some work going on. Basically the 3 skips though have cost me £55. But it happens sometimes. Just take it on the chin and get on with it. They're not people who skip continuously neither. So yeah, it's just how it is, innit? Get on with it. Tomorrow's another day. My wife, Teresa, has organised a gutter clear day for tomorrow. So the kids have just told me, or Sophie's told me in a text message from my wife, that when we get home, turn the van round. So we're going to empty all the window cleaning stuff, put in the gutter vac, and maybe do another gutter day on the video if we can. Depends how hard and how much the work is going on, because filming slows you down and it still gets dark around 4ish, doesn't it? Well, almost 5 now I think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and there'll be another video pop up somewhere along for you to watch. If you already haven't done, just subscribe or like the video. Helps me out, and keep safe.